My name is Darren Conover, and this is my interview Q&A for the BCom 2050 class. I'm going to be starting with, what do I see myself doing 5 years from now? Exactly 5 years from today, I'll be turning 29 years old, and I'll have at least my bachelor's in computer science, ready to grow in my field and looking to maintain stability from then on out. I'd like to be programming for a living, understanding and really just living the systems that the career or that my specific job is going to be needing me to do. There's thousands of different programming languages, so any place I get a job at is certainly going to have to train me to an extent to learn to do it their way. If I'm in a place, their way would just become my lifestyle in order to truly master it and understand everything involved. Also, as I'll be 29, finishing with school and getting into the career, I'd be looking to maintain my young family and just again with stability and hardworking to provide for them. The second question I chose was to tell about a time when my course load was heavy and how I went about completing it. The situation I found myself in was the spring 2021 semester where we had a group coding project due. A lot of us programmers are quite introverted, so the group projects aren't easier like they are in a lot of other classes. What we had to do specifically was create Connect 4 in Python with in a group of 3 students. What makes this hard specifically is that it's not just typing on the computer. Connect 4 needs mouse clicks and where the mouse is clicked. In order to finish this, I actually had to stay up 2 nights a week for a couple weeks straight, or stay up all night for 2 nights a week for a couple weeks straight until the project was done, just to sort of manage the project, organize everything we had to do, plan what we had to do, and then sort of assign and delegate to my group members what they should be doing, what deadlines they should be hitting, so on and so forth. We ended up getting 100% of course on the project because there was an intro course and the amount of effort we put into it was above and beyond. Also, because it was so grueling, every student in my group understood the entire project. It wasn't just one person being carried through, but everyone had everything thoroughly explained to them and would have been able to explain it to someone else. And that's really just the best way to show someone how to do something is teach them how to do it, not just to do it for them. Thank you.